Make in India. Benefits of Make in India. Make in India, a type of Swadeshi movement covering 25 sectors of the Indian economy, was launched by the Government of India on the 25th of September 2014 to encourage companies to manufacture their products in India and enthuse with dedicated investments into manufacturing. New processes. Make in India recognizes ease of doing business as the single most important factor to promote entrepreneurship. A number of initiatives have already been undertaken to ease business environment. The aim is to the license and regulate the industry during the entire life cycle of a business. Develop job opportunity. One of the main purposes of Make in India crusade is to provide job opportunities for as many citizens of India as possible. It has targeted the young generation of the country as its prime beneficiary. The investments in the targeted sectors, i.e., telecommunications, pharmaceuticals, tourism, etc., will encourage the young entrepreneurs to come forth with their innovative ideas without worrying about the source of speculations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Make in India, with the primary goal of making India a global manufacturing hub by encouraging both as well as domestic companies to manufacture their products within the country. Led by the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, the initiative aims to raise the contribution of the manufacturing sector to 25% of the gross domestic product (GDP) by the year 2025 from its current 16%. Make in India has introduced multiple new initiatives, promoting foreign direct investment, implementing intellectual property rights and developing the manufacturing sector. It targets 25 sectors of the economy which range from automobile to information technology and business process management (BPM). The details of each can be viewed on the official site www.makeinindia.com. Agriculture in India. Agriculture is the most important sector of Indian economy. Indian agriculture sector accounts for 18% of India's gross domestic product (GDP) and provides employment to 50% of the country's workforce. India is the world's largest producer of pulses, rice, wheat, spices and spice products, and its makes availability of raw material is very easy, which is the good sign for business houses. Transportation from India. India is located in South Asia and connected to Indian Ocean. It is the another edge for business houses that they can ship their goods by all modes of transportation, i.e. water, air and land. Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. The cost of operation of water transport is also very less. It has the largest carrying capacity and is most suitable for carrying bulky goods over long distances. Mission at Urban Gurus. We provide advice when your business needs it, not just when you ask for it. We start your business, expand overseas, consulting, mergers, startups, accounting, auditing, VAT and a lot more. Urban Gurus is a reputed consulting firm having multiple offices in India, UAE, UK, US, Turkey. As a multidisciplinary practice, we are actively engaged in core services verticals, taxation, accounting, finance, regulatory, transaction advisory, startups, foreign expansions, and audit and assurance, risk advisory and internal control, audit. The firm has massive experience rendering diverse professional services to an extensive base of local and national clients. Contact us for more queries.